Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm your tutor Patrick Divine, and in this video I just want us to solve some common questions. Okay, some common questions that you find in your paper, those that are writing their exams, those that are preparing for their exams. This is a question that is common and never misses. Okay, so it comes as 5 marks. Okay, 5 marks, this question. So it never misses. It is always coming each and every year from the time mathematics was introduced. Okay, syllabus D was introduced. This question has been coming 5 marks, 5 marks, 5 marks. So you need to pay attention for you to get this whole 5 marks. It is not easy, but I want to make sure that we go through the process, each and every process. You follow the steps so that you get the full 5 marks that you need. All right, so remember to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Subscribe and also like, comment. You can ask any question. Okay, so those that need online tuitions or physical tuition, suppose you are in Kabwe, you can contact me on 0975 334778. Okay, this is my WhatsApp line and also my direct call line. Okay, so let's solve. So say solution. Okay, solution. So I want to explain something here. Whenever you see the question, this solve the equation you have been given, that is the equation, right? Giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so one thing I need to explain here is that the question has specified that your answer is supposed to be written in 2 decimal places. Now, what is a decimal place? What is a decimal place? So a decimal place is a number after a decimal point. Okay, so let's say we have, for example, we have 1. Okay, we have 1.2. Okay, we have 1.2. So I've said that a decimal place is a number after a decimal point. So this number here, it is a decimal place. Now they are saying that you need to round off your answer to what? To 2 decimal places, meaning that it needs to be at least 2 like that. 1, 1, 2. The numbers after decimal point, they should be 2. Okay, they should be 2. So suppose you have a number that is like this. Okay, let's say that is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so whenever you find this answer, at the end you need to round it off to 2 decimal places, meaning the numbers after decimal point, they have to be 2. So you need to write it, your answer is 1.2. Then if this number, which is here, so the decimal places are 1, 2 that you are looking for. Now if this number is above 4, meaning that it is 5 going up, you get a 1, you add to this number. So but this is less than 4. Okay, even if this number is 4, okay, even if this number is 4, don't get any number. Okay, so any number that is greater than 4, that one you need to get a 1 and you add to this number. Okay, so if in this case we'll say the number is what? Like that. This one will become your answer. But in a case where you have, let's say you have 5, okay, you need to get 1 from here. You need to get 1, then you add them to be like this. All right, so let's solve the equation. Let's solve the equation. So this is the equation that we have. We have 2x squared minus 13x plus 14 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So now how do you solve this quadratic equation? The first thing that you need to know is that a quadratic equation, as this one which is squared, it is what? It is a. Okay, this one it is b, this one it is c. Okay, so these are just the coefficients that you get. All right, so the coefficient of this, so a here, a is equal to what? A is equal to 2. Okay, so our a is what? Is 2. Okay, so you just get the coefficient. So a is 2, then b is what? Is negative 9. So a coefficient is a number attached to a letter. So the number that is attached to a letter, this one, it is negative 13. So b is negative what? 13. Okay, so b is what? Negative 13. Then c is the constant. C, we call it a constant, which is a number that doesn't have any letter attached to it, so which is 14. So it is positive 14. So you get it together with the sign, so it is positive 14, like that. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to do. All right, then you need to start solving. So the formula will be given in paper 2. The formula will come, they will give you a list of formulas. You'll find this formula. Okay, so but if you don't know it, so this is the formula. So it says that x is equal to negative b positive or negative root, okay, of b squared minus 4ac. Divide. You divide by what? By 2a. So this is the formula that you need to know. Okay, you find it on the list of formulas. All right, so let's solve this question. Let's solve this question together. So you know what a is, you know what b is, you know what c is. Okay, so b, it's negative 13. That's what I've written here. Okay, so here now you just have to substitute these numbers in the equation. So we say x is equal to negative, we get the negative. What is b? So b, you go, you check. This is our b. B is negative what? Negative 13. So you say multiplied by what? Negative 13. Like that. Then positive or negative. Alright? Then you say root of what? Root of b. What is our b? B is negative 13. B is what? Negative 13. But it is squared. So you need to square 13. Like that. Minus 4. What is a? A, you check. A is 2. So you just come, you multiply it by what? By 2. How about c? What is c? How about c? C is negative. C is positive what? C is positive c, or positive 14. So you just get the 14 like that. As simple as that. Then you divide by what? 2. What is our a? Our a is what? Is 2. Like that. So these are the steps that you need to follow for you to get the full 5 marks. If you don't follow this, you miss a lot of marks. So this is what you are supposed to do. So the first thing, look for the coefficients. So these are the coefficients of this quadratic equation. Write the formula, substitute the values of the letters in the formula. Okay, so you go on and solve. So here it will be negative times negative is equals to positive. So mean that x, it will be equal to what? X will be equal to positive. This is negative times negative, to be positive 13. Okay, positive 13, then positive or negative root. Okay, root. What is 13 squared? Okay, so 13, this is just like you get the number negative 13 times negative 13. Okay, what you need to know that when you square a number that is a negative sign, it becomes a positive because it will be negative times negative. Okay, negative times negative, it's positive. Then 13 times 13, that is what it means. So you can actually punch it on a calculator, since in paper 2 you use a calculator. So when you say 13 squared, you're going to have 169. So you're going to have what? 169. Okay, let me write it well. You're going to have 169. Then what you're supposed to do is you get the negative multiplied by everything. You get the way it is, negative 4 multiplied by 2 by that. Okay, so it is negative 4 multiplied by 2, okay, multiplied by 14, like that, just like that. Then this answer is negative 111. So just put negative 112, I mean 112, negative 112, like that. Okay, then you divide. Okay, so 2 times 2, that is what? That is 4. So just put like that, 4. Okay, so now here, the next thing that you're supposed to do, okay, so the next thing that you're supposed to do is you put the x, okay, is equal to, you get positive 13, positive or negative, then root, okay, root. So what you do is you just subtract 169 minus 4 minus 112. So 169, okay, minus 112, it's going to give you 57. So just put 57 here, 57, then it is divided by what? By 4. Okay, by 4, like that. I'm sure you are able to get all these steps, because these steps will help you to get the full 5 marks. If you don't do this, then you won't get the full 5 marks. So let me just try to create some space. Okay, let me try and create some space for you. Okay, so now this question, the way it is, there is a positive and a negative answer. This is what it means. There is a positive, so it's like we are going to share this in 2 ways, because always just know that you have 2 answers in a quadratic equation like this. Okay, you have what? 2 answers. There is one which will go with the positive and the one which will go with the what? The negative down here. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to know. So now what we'll do here is we are going to separate them. Okay, so these are the steps for you to get the full 5 marks. So you need to separate them. So you write the one with the positive and everything, and the other one with the positive and everything. So you're going to say it is positive, x is equal to positive 13, then you get the one with the positive. Okay, just get the positive from here. Okay, so from here you just get the positive, you go, so you just say root of what? 57, then divide by what? By 4. Then you write all, you say x is equal to positive 13, then you get the one with the minus. Okay, the one with the minus here, so you just say minus, okay, root of 57 divide by what? By 4. As simple as that. So these steps will help you to get the full 5 marks. Okay, so now what you are supposed to do, it is just to punch these on your calculator. That's all. So when you punch this on a calculator, you say 13, okay, 13 plus, there is a plus, 13 plus, okay, then you say square root, okay, root of what? Root of 57. So you just write root of 57, okay, root of 57, then you say equals, okay, this is your answer, right? But you divide your answer by what? By 4. So you just say divide by what? By 4. So this is your answer here. Okay, so you write your answer in full. So you say x is equal to you copy this answer. Don't even say you round it off just like that, because they won't know which answer is which your answer is. So you just have to write the way it is in full. So it is 5.137458609, like that. Then you say, or x is equal to, so you just do the same here. Okay, just do the same here. You say 13 minus, okay, root of 57 equals, then you divide by what? By 4. So you're going to have 1.362541319. At the end there is 9. Okay, at the end there is 9. So now you start rounding off. Now you round off your answer to 2 decimal places. That is what it is saying. Okay, write your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Decimal places, I said that decimal places are numbers after a decimal point. So this number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the numbers that after a decimal point, they are what? They are 9. But we only need how many? 4. I mean we only need 2. Okay, we only need 2. So mean that we'll round off from here. Okay, from here. Okay, and the number after this is what? Is above 5, is above 4. Okay, this is 7. So mean that we are going to get the 1 and add to this number. All right. Okay, so here you're going to say, you need to get the 1 from here, then you add to this one. Mean that the answer will be what? X is equal to 5.1. Then when you get the 1, you add to this one. This is 3. When you add 1 to 3, it becomes 4. Okay, so this is your first answer. And your second answer, you say, oh, x is equal to this one. You round it off to 2 decimal places. So say these are decimal places. So you say 1, 2, and if this number is less than 5, okay, don't get anything from it. So the answer is going to be 1.36. So this is your answer. Okay, so that is how you get your full 5 marks when you follow these steps. Okay, follow these steps. So this is the question that I wanted to solve with you. Thank you for watching. If you need online tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on 0975 334778. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp line. So those that are in Kabwe, we offer tuitions, physical tuitions. Okay, we offer physical tuitions, and we are located near Kachulu Market. All right, so you can WhatsApp me on this line. We talk if you need tuitions. All right, in math, science, additional mathematics, you can contact me on that same line. Thank you for watching.